Have you ever tried talking to someone in English and suddenly your brain just stopped working? You wanted to sound natural, but everything you learned from textbooks felt too formal or too robotic. Well, don't worry. Today's episode is going to fix that for you. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Daily English Podcast for Learners. In this episode, we're going to explore 30 everyday English phrases that real people use all the time at the coffee shop, at work, or just hanging out with friends. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to sound more natural, confident, and ready for real conversations. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Let's start with some common, super useful phrases you'll hear every day. Here's the first one. Want to grab a coffee? This means, do you want to get a coffee? It's friendly and casual, something you'd say to a friend or coworker. For example, hey, it's been a long morning. Want to grab a coffee? It's simple, and you'll hear it everywhere. Next one. Sounds good to me. This is just another way to say, I agree, or that's fine. It's short, natural, and easy. Someone says, let's meet at 3. You say, sounds good to me. Here's another popular one. I'm down. It means, I want to do that, or I'm interested. If your friend says, let's go hiking this weekend, you can say, I'm down. It sounds cool and casual. Next, let me check my schedule. This is what you say when someone invites you to do something, but you're not sure yet. It's polite and sounds natural. For example, I'd love to, but let me check my schedule first. And one more for now. Catch up. This means to talk and reconnect with someone you haven't seen in a while. Like, it's been ages. Let's grab lunch and catch up. These phrases are gold. Keep them in mind because we'll see them in real conversations next. Let's imagine a scene. You're meeting a friend at a coffee shop. You walk in, wave, and say, hey, over here. They smile and say, hey, wow, this place is nice. You say, I know, right? It just opened a few weeks ago. Super chill vibe. You sit down and chat. Your friend says, work's been crazy lately. I needed this coffee break. You reply, same here. I feel like the days are flying by. The two of you order coffee, maybe an oat milk latte or a cappuccino, and just relax. Then your friend says, we really needed to catch up. You smile and say, totally, it's been too long. See how natural that sounds? No fancy grammar, no stress, just easy, friendly English. Now, let's switch to another situation, making weekend plans with friends. You call your friend and say, hey, are you free this weekend? I'm thinking of doing something fun. They reply, yes, please. I need a break. You say, let me check my schedule. Saturday afternoon looks good for me. Then they go, sounds good. What do you want to do? Maybe you say, how about the new park downtown? They've got food trucks and live music. Your friend says, that sounds fun. I'm down. And just like that, you've made plans. Easily, naturally, confidently. A few minutes later, your other friend joins the group chat. Hey guys, count me in. Now you've got your weekend plan. Good food, music, and friends. Now let's move to the third situation, the office. Picture this. It's morning at work. You walk in, tired, holding your coffee, and your coworker says, morning, You survived the 9 a.m. meeting? You laugh and reply, barely. That meeting could have been an email. You both laugh because, let's be honest, we've all been there. Then you ask, want more coffee? They say, absolutely. Coffee's the only thing keeping me alive right now. You chat a bit about deadlines and coworkers. Someone mentions, I've got a big report due Friday. You say, same, it never ends. Then your coworker says, honestly, I think we both need a vacation. You grin and reply, don't tempt me. I've been dreaming about beaches since Monday. See how natural that flow is? That's everyday English. Short, clear sentences, simple vocabulary. But the tone, rhythm, and expressions make it sound real. Let's go through a few more phrases from that office chat. Barely? It means almost not, like, I barely survived that meeting. It never ends. A funny way to say, there's always more work. Don't tempt me. You say this when something sounds good, but you shouldn't do it. Like, don't tempt me with vacation talk. I've been dreaming about beaches since Monday. A casual, funny exaggeration that makes you sound friendly and relatable. So let's take a quick recap of what we learned today. When you're making plans or chatting with friends, use phrases like, want to grab a coffee? Sounds good to me. I'm down. Let me check my schedule. Let's catch up soon. When you're at work or in casual situations, try, that meeting could have been an email. It never ends. Don't tempt me. We both need a vacation. And remember, you don't need to sound like a textbook. You just need to sound like you. Keep your English simple, friendly, and natural. That's how real people speak. Before we wrap up, here's a little practice challenge for you. Try using 3 of today's phrases in a real conversation this week. It could be with your friends, your classmates, or even online. Say things like, want to grab a coffee? Sounds good to me. I'm down. You'll be surprised how confident and natural you start to sound. All right, my friend, that's it for today's episode. I hope you had fun, learned something new, and feel more ready for real English conversations. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow and share it with someone who's learning English too. And remember, practice a little every day, even 10 minutes. Real progress comes from real practice. Stay positive, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care, stay curious, and keep speaking English with confidence. Bye for now.